2-year-old boy.
Stop sign. Trade says stop.
Balloon, very good.
Pretty neat, huh? Pretty neat. Oh, we're derailed. Little tree. Little men. Little men working on the train. Little car. Stop sign.
Stop, yeah. Stop, very good.
Stop.
Says stop.
Go. Oh no.
Happy birthday. Look at Mama.
Okay. That's where it needs to stop, okay. You knocked over the stop sign.
Stop, very good.
Pretty neat train
Track.
Pretty neat train track, huh? Uh-oh. It's okay. Flip it over. There you go. Back together. If you take it apart, you can't drive your train. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's a big Kevin. Oh, big Kevin. It's cool, huh?
Kevin and her baby. You can open it, Luke. That's for you. You want some help?
So, getting started. Okay, there. Oh, wow. Shrek. It's more Shrek. Shrek in 3D. And, oh, chipmunks. Alvin and the Chipmunks. We'll watch it later. We'll watch it later.
Okay. Do you like it?
Very cool, huh? You take Kevin? Okay, here's Kevin. That's a pretty neat bow, huh?
Oh.
It's okay. Keep going.
Go ahead. Yes, it is. You want to open? Open.
Okay.
Remember, say open. Good. Open. How does it feel to be 2, Luke? Do you feel happy? Do you feel happy? You're a big kid now. Look, you can't see it because I'm taping you. I'll show you when it's over. You can't say anything. Bring it in. Whoa! What is that? His helmet's striking the ground. Kevin.
So you sit around. There you go.
Can you get his helmet? He's stuck on the ground.
I will get it. Oh, wow. Can you pedal, Luke?
Let me see, big kid. Whoa!
Can you pedal it? Push it.
Are you going to ride on there?
Climb on and I'll help you.
You want to go take it outside, go for a ride?
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Got to wear your helmet.